Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, and my vlog will come to you. From now on, we're going to walk on the street. This is Bantulinaw, guys. So many people live here in very hot and many hot girls in there. If you go in the Bantulinaw is so many chicks and so many child and pogi, because the Bantulinaw is mini child, because her father and mother is going to binirahig anak mo nang ubay ng tao de kay. So this is a very view in hot in the air in the morning. This morning is not hot. Init kayong panahon. Going to lakaw-lakaw, walang maibuhat. Lapad kayong kasada. Murag gikan ri abot pa dito unahan. So the Bantulinaw is mini dog in here because mga minilyon tayong iro dre. Kung maglakaw ka tig kadlawon, puno kas isog sa aw sa iro. Daghan magay iro. Dog niya napay cat, daghan sang tawo ng puyo. Daghan chicks, mga sexy lady chicks. Oh, right. Kay mga guwapo. Murag ako ba? Sumini pigo. Pigo ba?